In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to completely factory reset your TP-link Tapo TC70. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to press is key. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset button. First, you need to find the reset button on the Tapo TC70 below the camera lens. Just tilt camera face and see there is a small reset button beside MMC card slot. Step 2. Performing the factory reset. Important, make sure your camera is plugged in and powered on. The reset will not work if the camera doesn't have power. Now, gently press and hold the reset button. You should feel a slight click. After about 8 to 10 seconds, you'll hear camera reset successfully. Rebooting camera.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Rebooting camera, please wait. The camera will now go through its full startup sequence. When it's done, it will be completely restored to its original factory settings. All your personal settings, Wi-Fi passwords, and recordings on the device itself have been erased. Your Tapo TC70 is now like new out of the box. To use it again, you'll need to set it up like you did the first time. That's it. If this guide helped you regain control of your camera, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech help videos. Thanks for watching.